Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase you make, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your very own chance to win $10,000. And now back to the star of the show, we have this beautiful 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan Premium Plus to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find the award-winning 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine that is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and it is shown in the very pretty octane red pearl color. Down below, those are 17-inch aluminum wheels. This has been fully safetied and inspected, and it comes with all sorts of great features, including the optional trailer tow group, power convenience group, and DVD entertainment group. There's much more to show you. We are going to take you through this quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock lock. You have your power lift tailgate and power sliding doors. As we head on inside, you have a beautiful two-tone interior, gloss black accents throughout, power mirrors, windows, and locks. And your very back windows power tilt-out as well. Mats and carpets are in excellent condition. Your driver's seat is fully adjustable with lumbar support. On your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped as well. Cruise control on your right, on your left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection buttons, and behind my fingers there you have audio-mounted controls. Headlight options to the left, and into the dash, the current mileage is 19,961 kilometers on this currently. You also have a large menu of information you can scroll through. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. Nice clean dash. Into your entertainment system, you do have on the top left your Bluetooth and hands-free. For your radio options, you have AM, FM, and satellite capability. You can use the buttons on the side or the touchscreen functionality. You can also have a hard drive in here as well as a CD player. Some setting options to the side as well as your media port, so auxiliary into USB. You also have that backup camera there, which is great. Dual zone climate control as well as rear climate, so everyone's going to be happy with their temperature. Lots of space in the center console. You also have a pull-out drawer with 2 additional cup holders. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything is in excellent condition. Lots of legroom, super comfortable. You have a locking glove compartment. Above that, some additional space. Vanity mirrors, sunglass storage, a built-in mirror to keep an eye on any back passengers, and your power door buttons are up top as well. Because the doors are powered, you can just pull on the handle and it'll open. So you do have 2 very comfortable captain's chairs in the second row, storage behind the seats. These seats do fold right down into the ground and stow into this compartment here. And then when they are not stowed, you can use that for storage. Up above, as mentioned, you do have that DVD system, rear climate, so they can control that from back here, or you can control it from up front. And then in the back, you do have 3 additional seats back here. There's a picture of it unstowed. So 3 seats, cup holders on either side, and all of your DVD components down below that. And then you can just pull the handle and the door will automatically close. As we head into the back compartment, this does lift up easily here. Again, you can use your remote as well. So inside, some pockets along the side. And then these seats very easily stow down into this compartment here. So I'll just show you that very quickly. You just pull the straps in order, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And with one hand, they stow right down into the ground and they come up just the same. So when all of the seats are stowed, I am told you can fit a 4x8 sheet of plywood back there. So overall, as you can see, this van has a ton to offer. Again, if you have any questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.